Hello guys, this is YMK. Welcome to my channel. So today I will show you the microSD card I bought for GoPro Hero 9 Black, and will also be demonstrating how to insert and format the card. So this is SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD extended capacity ultra high speed 1 card. It comes with an adapter as well. This is a 128 GB microSD card with a reading speed of 170 megabytes per second and writing speed of 90 megabytes per second. The highest video bitrate on GoPro Hero 9 Black is 100 megabits per second, like the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So any microSD with U3 mentioned on it is suitable for this camera. While inserting the microSD card, make sure that the front side of the card is facing the battery casing. While inserting the battery, make sure that the battery's front face, where the logo is mentioned, is facing the camera's front face. So in order to format, first scroll down the screen and then scroll to the left. You will see the preferences on the right side. Click it and scroll down to the bottom to see the reset menu. Press the reset menu and then you can see the format SD card option on top. Click it and then you can easily format the SD card. Once the formatting is done, connect the phone with the camera using the GoPro app and get the recent updates. This will help you to control the camera using the phone. Even though the previewing quality is not that good enough, the app does a great job in controlling the camera. Thank you so much guys for watching. Really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel.